Quant rejected a key resistance level. If that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. For those of you that are in the Telegram channel, I hope you guys are enjoying it as we are growing exponentially. But for those of you that haven't joined yet, make sure to check out the link in the bio as I'm giving all my insights and my trades in the channel. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another quant analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, I do want to apologize if you guys do hear some rain. I am sitting in the car right now making this video for you guys, so it's on time. So I do appreciate if you guys can just shoot that like button on the bottom. As you guys can see on Quant, we are testing a very crucial resistance point here at 144. I mentioned, of course, the fact that Quant is looking extremely bearish and we could be looking for a very nice take profit level before we finally get our pullback opportunity. A lot of you guys are wondering whether or not Quant will actually continue pushing on to the downside, and if you missed your opportunity of buying, I do want to talk about that in this video, as well as the fact that whether or not we do see a continuation move to our major target here at 154. Now, a lot of you guys were doubting the fact that the 144 level will be hit. For those of you doubting, we have hit that level. So continuing on, I am looking for a possible wick opportunity all the way up to 154. And the reason why that level specifically is important is because of the fact you can see in terms of previous price analysis, we held that level multiple times before we finally saw that breakdown formation on this massive move to the downside. Now, in terms of the 154 level, that of course is a bit away. So let's talk about the 144 resistance. As of from previous price analysis, you can see that we have tested this level multiple times and we failed to break above that level 6 or 7 times before we finally saw a very nice wick to the upside and that continuation. That's exactly what I am looking for in terms of a bullish case scenario to complete. But if we zoom out of the chart right now, you can see that Quant is still in this massive W formation. This W formation obviously could end all the way up to 175, which is pretty much where the move set started. So that's something to keep in mind. Of course, this would become invalidated if we did get a strong bearish move set breaking below our 124 support. Now, I am expecting a nice opportunity in terms of a pullback down to this level and then a continuation. But of course, if we see any clean breakdown formation of that level and a retest of resistance, that will be our confirmation to enter a shorting position. Now, speaking about a shorting specific at this level, I want to talk to you guys about a few things. Although we are at a major resistance point here at 144, I'm sure a lot of you guys are looking at this level and saying this is a great shorting opportunity, but we have to keep in mind the fact that Quant is still trading above these exponential moving averages. As long as these levels hold support, we are not looking for any sort of shorting positions. You can see for all the people that pretty much shorted this whole way upwards, they pretty much got wrecked every single time. The reason was what we are looking for, of course, is the fact that once we see a clean breakdown formation and then an area of retest as we are trading below these exponential moving averages, that would be your confirmation to look for a shorting position. Right now, we don't want to be trading against the trend, and I have mentioned this many times. Do not trade against the trend. Even if the trend short term is going to the upside, you don't necessarily want to be that guru trying to catch that falling knife or even that explosive move to the upside and hoping to catch the top. Right now, what we are looking for, of course, is a strong pullback opportunity, but if we don't see that and Quant actually ends up continuing pushing on higher and we do break above this 144 resistance, ladies and gentlemen, things are going to get absolutely explosive for Quant. The reason why, of course, is the fact that you can see our W formation will also play out, as well as the fact there are a ton of shorts at this level. If we do get a massive move and a short squeeze, we could be looking for a large move set, possibly completing all the way up to 175, and then you can start looking for your shorting positions overall. Now, of course, this is all biased towards a bullish case scenario, but I do want to talk about the bearish case scenario for those of you that are watching. In terms of a bearish case scenario right now, if we do get any break below these exponential moving averages, as well as a following retest as resistance in that confirmation, we will have to keep a very close eye on the 124 support. The reason why, of course, is this level acts as a very strong resistance point, and once we broke above that level, you can see that we have already tested this level twice, so a third test opportunity would mean a stronger breakdown formation. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in my free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.